Assalamualaikum. Hai Sobat Aisha. Nama saya Ayman. Mari simak saya unboxing. This is ring light untuk YouTube video atau buat foto-foto. Assalamualaikum. Hai Sobat Aisha. Nama saya Ayman. Mari simak saya unboxing. This is ring light untuk YouTube video atau buat foto-foto. Saya beli online dari Carrefour. We going to start. We'll open it now. Your key, live ring light. See, this is really nice offer. This is a light. See, nice. This is also cable for how to control the light. And this is also to connect the light to tripod. Also the same. This is also part from this one. Also this one part. But I don't know how to use it. How to write. And then now I have to open this one as keyboard. Hey. Let's see. Wow. I have to open like that. This is a tripod, and this is how to control everything up and down. I have to open like that. Now we have the stand like that. We start to build it. Let's go. First, this is the one. We have to put it here first, like that. Sure, tighty, and then we have to bring the light, ring light, to build like that. Careful also, to be careful. Yes, like that. Have to finish it. Like that, and this is the to carry the phone. This is a part to carry the phone. We have also to put it like that. This is the last one. This is now stand is ready. This is how to use. This is how to control the light and everything like that. One, and this you can make it up and down like that. Down. This is the control 1, 2, 3, and this is like whatever you want color. It's coming like that, and you close again. This will be none. Thank you so much for watching us. Please subscribe and like.